Meaning of increased.
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 Increased. The word increased refers to a rise in quantity or degree. It suggests that something has gotten bigger, more numerous, or more intense. This can apply to a wide range of situations, from the growth of a business to the number of people attending an event. The result of an increase can be positive or negative depending on the context. For example, an increase in sales would be viewed as positive for a company, while an increase in crime rates would be seen as negative for a community. Overall, increased implies a significant change in a particular metric over time.